Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Color Rush Studio. And I have got this gorgeous new kit. It has tons of Simple Stories products in it as well as exclusives. So I've got these like big old honkin' great words. I'm gonna use this one today. I have got the frazzles and ribbons and I have an idea to play with this. I think it'll be so fun. There are cute little fabric stockings with real buttons. I've got cork pieces. I've got squishies. These are actually foam, which is so cool. And they're stickers. So I've got so many good things. Oh guys, and I also have these foam stickers, a whole big giant pack. So I've got fabulous pieces. Now, let me show you my photo and I'll explain it a little bit. So every year when I get my first holiday cup from Starbucks, I take a picture. And this time, my future daughter-in-law brought it for me when I was, they had just bought a house and I was painting it. If you see my hand, you see me all painty. So I was painting it and I was like, you know what? I just finished painting this living room. It was this yellow color. It's bright white. And I'm like, this would be so perfect. And I would remember it because I was painting. So yes, first holiday cup. And I always get a venti, non-fat, 1 Palm Beach peppermint mocha, no whip. A couple of people I know call it the Shannon Eller. You do you. But that's what we have. And so I thought that would be super fun. I'm at it with like a scrap of white cardstock and then I'll go off with the pieces. So we get these frazzles and ribbons, right? And I think they are rather nifty. I love them. And I want to make sure to use them because they're curated so perfectly. So what I was thinking is why don't I, now this one actually has wire in it. What I was thinking is why don't I take some of these frazzles and ribbons and see what it would look like if I intertwine them a little bit, maybe braided them. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to play with them a little bit. I'm going to leave this one alone for now. Into a wreath. Is that too extra? That might be too extra. We're going for it. Okay, so what if I use this for my background so it shows up a lot, right? Then what do I want to mat it with? Ooh. Now there's more papers than this. I just pulled the ones that were catching my eye for my photo. I've got these. I have two. They're called the Holiday Life. And then this is front and back of Craft. So there are more in the kit. I'm just, you know, what's vibing on my picture. So I have this. I do like the idea of this piece because it's a little messy. Ooh, and I could ink it in black because there's a lot of black in this collection. I can add any of these I want. I love the idea of fussy cutting out a couple of the cool cars because it's not going to do a whole lot if we see that. I'm just checking. Ooh, I wonder if we should do a little separation with a bit of this red and then a large amount of that. There we go. We've got the ticket. We've got the ticket. Okay, so what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to go ahead and do a little inky work, cut these pieces, have a nice, you know, thinner mat with this, and figure out how to make a wreath out of this. And I'll be right back. So this is what I'm thinking. I was going to braid them, but I kind of just like them twisted a little bit into this shape. Now we'll have our photo, and clearly all of this can squish down. I don't have it really tightly twisted. I think it's really fun. But what I'd like to do is some of these bits, I want the back side showing, some I want the front side showing. So I just have to work on that just a little bit. And then I can trim off some of this excess. I was wondering, wouldn't it be cute if I made the bow on the wreath out of this? Now, do I put the bow down here or here? I don't know. That's my answer. And the reason why this would be good for a bow, guys, I'm just going off using all of the things. Guys, and save these little twirly bits because, you know, you can tuck those in too. Now, this has this wire in it. So I'm like, yeah, I could do a bow and it would totally work and kind of keep some of its oomph. So do I want a bow here or do I want it on the bottom? I kind of like the idea that it would be towards the bottom with my photo. And then remember, I'm going to have this joy word. So yeah, I like the idea of it being on the bottom. So let's go ahead and grab my fabric scissors and just do a chop. Don't even know if it's, you know, straight, even, whatever. Don't care. And I'm going to kind of just start tucking some good adhesive under some pieces. I'm not going to think too far into it. I think that this is going to make it kind of pretty and organic. I really just want it rounded out. Like this little guy, I'm like, hello, go back to your home. Give it a little adhesive there. So as long as we keep pretty round, I'm going to be happy. So we've got that. And then I still have to map my photo a few times. I've got to decide what's going to go in here. But my main goal to start was to get my little wreathy shape going. And then somebody will be like, well, why would you do that? Won't it just get squished down in your page protector? The answer is probably yeah, but I'm having a ball. So that's cool. I always say when it comes to scrapbooking, like I'm the boss of me. I'm going to do what makes me happy while I'm doing it. And I will remember how much fun I had while I was doing it. So, you know, relax. It's all good. It is good. I tell you. Good in my hood. All right, so we have that, right? Squish, squish, squish. Pretty much down. Guys, look at my little wreath. Isn't it cute? And the most simple wreath ever, I know. So now, I want to do some kind of bow action. And I don't know, why is it fun to play with ribbon when it is just, you know, it's like not even like it's a big deal what I'm doing, but it's fun because it's wiry. And when it's wiry, you can kind of manipulate it more. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. Okay, I'm going to make a cute little bow. Cute little bow is going to go here. We've got our word, which is rather dramatic and fun, which will be joy. Going to map my photo, you know, a few bazillion times. And then I'm going to start looking at my embellishments and start placing them. So apparently I'm a big fat liar because I switched it around to have my bow up here. I'm just doing a little triage with it still because I ended up having to move all of my ribbon and all of that because, yeah, absolutely brutally poor planning. Isn't it cute? I mean, the wire ribbon is allowing me to have so much fun doing the bendies. And I've got this little bit, and I'm terrible at bows, so just pretend it's cute. Now I went ahead and got my photo in here. I have a lot of dimension foamies on the back of my photo because this is so dimensional, right? And I think it'll go about there. Great. Now, I love this word joy. I think it is so pretty. So I'm going to pop that up on a little dimension as well. I want my title to be rather showy, and I want my photo to be rather showy. So let's go ahead and pop that up, make it feel special. And then I need to start going through all the bits and pieces and finding out what I want to include. Now I will put a bunch of these great little gems on. That's probably going to be the last bit, like in my fabric. It's going to be so cute. But guys, we can do this together. But, oh gosh, something went flying. What went flying, guys? Oh, candy canes down. So, I mean, I can totally tuck in sweet little candy canes. Probably get like 3 candy canes in. Is that what you guys think? We can do that. We can tuck in, oh, to go with the craft. Nice little prezzies here and there. So I think that this is just so stinking fun to have these ooh, that's kind of cute because it kind of curves with a photo. Cute. I've got these black and red puppies. Now, I don't necessarily need more fabric. I better hold those off. I think that isn't it the cutest? So these can be like little cluster bits as I go. So cute. Love my sweet little Santa. Although she was a bit like a Santa, but no. Guys, I want to fussy cut out some of that truck paper. Where's my trucks? Do we have, oh yes, I'm going to fussy cut out maybe 3 little trucks. Or maybe I can just do the 2 clusters because it's just the 2 of us. That would be fun. So I have that, guys. There's all of these pieces. There's so much fun to be had. So Okay. And I keep fussing with this because I love it so much. So we have that. My photo's on there. What were you doing? Oh, we are getting our title, which is now stuck to the bottom of my bin. So let's get our title on. And then we're going to layer and fussy cut and all that kind of stuff. So let me work on that for a little bit. And I'll come back and we'll just finish this off with a couple gems. All right, guys. So I have a bunch of my bling on here. I just want to go ahead and put a few of the smaller pieces on. And then this is going to be done. It is so stinking fun and cute and sparkly. Just getting the stuff puffed out where I want it. It's got dimension, but of course, you know, it can all foof down when I'm done just staring at all of the happy goodness. So, oh gosh, it stuck to me. There we go. So just to show you, I'm just putting the bling blings wherever. Bit of a willy-nilly blingage. Why is this one here? Why is this one here? I don't know. I like them stacked. I like them kind of like hanging out with friends. So this is my deal, guys. I will have still shots to follow. What else to tell you guys? Oh, guys, you know how the subscriptions are like $40 and you can cancel it anytime? I think you need a 30-day notice for the canceling. Anywho, you guys, you can get the previous month's kit for like $20. So you can totally score some fabulous goodies at the appropriately fabulous value. All right, guys, I'm going to get some still shots to follow. I hope you like what I came up with. I thought this was a super fun way to use some of my Frazzly goodness. And guys, still shots. I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.